Hi everyone, welcome back to the nodisability.org YouTube page, and we are back with yet another video. But this time it's not a tutorial, it is something which is like a heart-to-heart conversation I'm having with all of you. I've got so many messages, so much overwhelming feedback from parents, friends of friends, family, people who don't even know me, and they have sent in their feedback on how photography is going to help them or not help them. So the video this time is whoever thinks that these videos might not help them. You know, a lot of siblings have written to me, a lot of people from across the country, across India have written to me that the sibling they have or the child they have who is a superhuman, a person with a disability, is not interested in photography, might not be interested in photography. They are still exploring, they still don't know. Maybe the person is too young or too old, or the person already has a behavioral habitat. So they are not really sure if photography is the forte that this person has. But here's my solution, here's what I think about this. So when you talk about what they want to do, you know, everything that we do in life, each and everything that we are doing in life, whether it's you, whether it's me, whether it's the biggest CEO of a company or a person who's sweeping the street, each one of them is looking at just two things. We are looking for respect and we are looking at being happy, right? We are looking at buying a bigger car, a bigger house, more money, all of that for what? We just want to be happy. And similarly, the superhumans want to be happy, they want to be respected for who they are. Obviously, some of them would not relate to other superhumans. They don't want to be called disabled or put into the same category because obviously it's not a nice thing to have. It's not a nice feeling to be stereotyped. None of us likes it, right? So we don't like labels when somebody calls us fat or bald or dark or ye kala hai mota, you know, things like that. Those are labels which all of us hate. So similarly, if a superhuman is not wanting to fit into a category, it is completely fine. It is in fact great because they are already trying to come out of that stereotype. Now, if you have a superhuman at home and you're not sure if they like photography or not, that's completely fine. I have a friend who's into export, right? He's much older to me. His son just went into college, so he's much older to me, but he's also following the channel, trying to learn photography. Here's how it can help you. Suppose you have a superhuman at home. They could be liking something like cooking or embroidery or something as simple as painting, even though painting is not that simple, but smallest of things or the biggest of things. Somebody might just like to go walking and exploring places. Somebody might like to go cycling. There could be 100 things that the superhuman at your house might be good at. What you can do is you can check out these videos, you can learn how to handle a camera. We are talking about photography right now. Eventually we'll move to filmmaking as well. You can learn all of that, and this superhuman at home, you can start documenting them. It's become a very different world with internet. So you have Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, so many platforms which are completely free. So why are we not using them? We need to start glorifying. I've seen it, and this is something which I personally hate. It's happened with me as well. And I personally hate it when people, if there's a person who's kind of taken a call, who's running a show, running an NGO, people like me actually, right? People who are teaching or creating opportunities for the differently abled. I've seen wherever that person turns up, the parents, the siblings, they kind of rush ki ye insaan bhagwan hai. No, stop doing that. These are people who just like to do it and that's it. Stop treating us like God, right? But what you need to do is you need to start glorifying the person at your home. So the simplest way to do that is put word out about them. Learn photography, learn how to make films. You can use this channel. You can ask me all the questions you want. I'm happy to help each one of you. And you can just put out word. You can put out questions, you can put out word about what your superhuman is doing. Maybe there are other people who would be dealing with the same problem because the society calls it, I don't call it a problem. People who are going through the same thing, the same circumstances, they might want to talk about it, right? Start glorifying the person that you have. Heroes, hum sab apni story mein heroes hain, right? We are all wanting to be, and we are in our own heads, heroes in our own stories. So start making them the heroes. The person at your home is the one who needs an opportunity, the one who needs support. So whatever they love doing, use this channel, learn all you can, ask me questions, put them out, put out word on their Facebook, Instagram. You will love to see how magic happens. People will appreciate who these people are and how beyond their challenges they have grown and done something. And if you get trolled, there is a lot of negativity as well. If you get trolled, think about a family function that you organized, think about a party that you organized, think about anything that you organized. There was always this one person, two people, maybe even 5 or 10 people who said that the food was not good, the arrangement wasn't good, the sound was too much, the music wasn't good. Those kind of people will always be there. But always remember, there are always just some players on the field. The spectators can say anything. So don't worry about the spectators, it's the players on the field that we need to worry about. So your superhuman is the person that needs to be glorified. And start documenting it, put it out, learn how to do photography from this channel, put out word about them, and together let's bring a change. Thank you.